DJ spinning tracks tonight. Just one work light. Nobody's on the floor below. Nowhere left to go. No band to play a single tune. Beneath the dusty moon, just silence and the scuffed up wood. Misunderstood. A single breath, a gentle sigh as dust motes drift on by, catching light in hazy streams, lost in forgotten dreams. Dust on the mirror ball, still we dance a second chance. Dust on the mirror ball, we don't care, floating on the air. Scuff pocket, the only sign of what was once divine. Dust on the mirror ball, still we dance in this empty trance. Remember glitter on your shoulder, getting bolder, getting older, laughing aloud in neon glow. Where did all that magic go? Now the chord begins to sway, chasing shadows far away, catching streaks across the wall, answering the silent call. A single breath, a gentle sigh as dust motes drift on by, catching light in hazy streams, lost in forgotten dreams. Dust on the mirror ball, still we dance a second chance. Dust on the mirror ball, we don't care, floating on the air. Scuff pocket, the only sign of what was once divine. Dust on the mirror ball, still we dance in this empty trance. And the light begins to grow, slower, softer down below. A quieter reverence takes hold, a story to unfold, like a hymn in fading light, holding on with all our might. This empty space, a sacred ground without a single sound. On the mirror ball, fire we dance a second chance. Dust on the mirror ball, we don't care, burning through the air. Scuff pocket, the only sign forever divine. Dust on the mirror ball, fire we dance in this vibrant trance. The ball begins to slow its spin. Where do we begin? The facets dim, the colors fade, a memory is made. Dust settles down, a gentle shroud, lost within the crowd of what used to be just you and me.